Today I'm going to be doing an easy DIY for you, and these items were all purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'll be using this wall decor that has that hook on the back. And I'll also be using 8 4x6 picture frames. These are the ones that have the inner border. And of course I'll be using my faithful glue gun. Okay, so let's begin with this DIY. This is going to be the center of my collage, and I just want to give you an idea of what this wall art measures. So it comes out to 12 by 5. This is going to be the item that I'm going to build around with my picture frames to create my picture collage. Okay, I'm going to start by removing the stand because I'm not going to be needing it, so I'm going to remove them on all 8 of the picture frames. Okay, so I'm going to start placing my picture frames around this wall decor. So I'm going to be playing around with these picture frames and just kind of arrange them how I think that I want them, and then just go from there. Finally arranged them, and this is what I came up with. Now it's time for me to start hot gluing them together. Okay, so let the hot gluing fun begin. I'm going to be using these craft sticks on the back of the picture frames where they meet, just to give them a good reinforcement. And I'll be doing that to all the picture frames on the back side. Okay, this is how the back side looks now that I've added the craft sticks and all the pictures are all together and in place. And now my picture collage is ready, and all I need is now to insert all my pictures. Okay, my beauties, my DIY is complete, and this is my office, and I just wanted to give you an idea as to where I wanted to hang my picture collage. I had this bare wall and I wanted to hang something special, so that's why I decided to do this picture collage. I love what this wall art says, laugh and it will bring you joy. And this is me and my grandbabies. And then here is my mom and my dad. And this is my youngest son with his family. And my husband and I were in San Francisco in that picture. And this is me and my grandson. And this is my oldest son with his daughter. And this is my granddaughter. Okay, my beauties, that is it for this Dollar Tree DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.